Thank you, Mr. Gillies. Can I ask you whether your policies that you've described over the last 2 days contain anything about the provision of an apology where there's been institutional fault?
Our policies don't contain that, no.
And is something such as an apology ever given on a case-by-case basis? So you've talked a lot about dealing with things on a case-by-case basis. Is apology ever provided in those circumstances?
We would be very happy to look at the facts and see if an apology is necessary or called for.
Thank you.
First of all, is it right that you were appointed to your current post in 2018?
Yes.
And the post is Director of the Office of Public Information of the World Headquarters of Jehovah's Witnesses?
Yes.
And that's based in New York, I think.
Yes.
Before you, who was your predecessor in that post?
Mr. David Simonian.
Do you also have a post of the records manager overseer based in your office or elsewhere?
That's not my position, no.
Do you know of someone who holds that position?
Are you talking about the World Headquarters?
Whether it's the World Headquarters or anyone else, do you know of anyone who occupies the post of records manager overseer?
Well, we have records management guidelines, and each department will oversee its records management.
Do you know a person called Sean Bartlett as a records management overseer?
Yes, I do.
Did he come to give a seminar to elders in England in 2017?
Yes, he did.
Did you attend that?
I think I did. I can't recall it specifically.
You might recall it if you remember the content of the seminar. Can you remember what the purpose of the seminar was?
To help us to make sure that our record keeping was up to date with legislation and that we weren't keeping unnecessary documents.
Not keeping unnecessary documents. Do you mean that he advised you to get rid of some documents?
Well, of course, at that time and even now we have data protection matters, so we have to make sure that documents adhere to data protection issues. So yes, he would have advised along those lines.
My next question is, do you have a data retention policy that you have published?
We have a data retention policy. Have we published it? I don't know.
In any event, you were at the seminar in 2017 where Sean Bartlett, among other things, advised you how to keep and how to get rid of documents.
Yes.
Did he, in the course of that seminar, tell you that the reason for getting rid of documents was because Satan was coming after you? Satan in the form of the legal process.
Okay. His comments, as I say, were directed with regard to data protection issues, as I recall. I don't remember exactly what he said on the subject. No, I don't remember any comments about Satan particularly.
You know whether there is a record anywhere of that seminar, of what was said?
I'd have to find out for you.
Do that and please let us know. Thank you very much.